You know, there's one thing that we never get to see is how the PCs are put together and how they go from component form right down to a finished product that's available in our shops to buy. So I managed to wrangle an interview with Mustek, and they very kindly allowed me to go through their production line to go show us exactly what happens from the start to the finish. So let's go check it out.
Okay.
Welcome to Mustek.
My name is Irene Kadima. I have started at Mustek in 2000 as a contractor, and in 2001 they hired me as a permanent on assembly line, and then from there I worked there for 3 years, and then from there moved to testing quality control, and then after that in 2007 I moved to service department as a PC technician, and then in 2010 or 2011 I moved to production as a production supervisor, and in 2013 they hired me as a production manager. That's where I am now. Just our small stores, and there on the cages, that's where we keep our expensive stock like the CPUs and the memories.
Mustek employs 43 people on the production line, manning 40 stations, producing 400 units per day, which can be ramped up to 1,200 units if needed be.
So we'll take one item that we want to create the image on it and take it to lab. So lab will create the images for us, and then from there they'll put it on the server, and then from correction side we'll just duplicate it from this machine. So if it's order for 1,000 or more than that, and then we use the hard drives that we duplicated from this and put it on this duplicating machines. Then we duplicate 1,000 from these machines.
Semi-automated server assembly line is able to build customized components for clients too.
Okay, and this is our learners. This is our 2015 learners. As you can see, here it will say Mustek Learnership 2015. So they're here for 6 months. They've been doing 6 months training in top IT, and they do practical 6 months at Mustek. So and most of them we do take them permanently because they're so good, and we are so good here at Mustek.
2,530 square meters. It's been in operation for 11 years as a semi-automated assembly plant operating outside of Midrand. Mustek makes the Mercer brand, which is its own brand and is one of the top performing brands in the desktop PC in South Africa. Mustek employs 566 people nationally with branches in Johannesburg, Cape Town, Durban, Polokwane, Nelspruit, Bloemfontein, Kimberley, Port Elizabeth and East London. The semi-automated plant is actually flexible enough to be able to build customized components as well as standard PCs, all made to order, ready to be shipped out the door directly to the customer. What is very, very cool about the assembly plant is that should a company require their own image, Mustek's able to create the image together with their people in the lab and create one hard drive, one image, and then duplicate it out. So by the time it gets shipped in a box and sent out the company door, it's able to arrive at its place and simply operate. So a great technology right here in South Africa outside of Johannesburg.
Thank you.